Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows is creating multiple accounts automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first solution is to run an antivirus scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now, go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can select scan options. Click on full scan, scroll down and click on scan now because this can be the main reason. Otherwise, it's a very weird thing to happen. But what could be the other reason? Maybe corrupt or broken files. So we will run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last one is to uninstall recently installed Windows Update. So, how would you do that? Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Update History. Click on Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall corresponding to this update and then uninstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.